Hello everyone, welcome to another Stocks to Watch series. So today we are going to cover all the stocks that I have in my personal watch list that I'm looking to trade. So let's get started. So the first stock that is in my watch list is PN Smart Energy Limited. So this stock I have in my watch list from yesterday, if you remember. So it gave a nice run up move in the market hours after a consolidation, and now it has broke a resistance also. So I'm looking if it can test the $12 level, then I'll look to add some longs or if it breaks below 11 for potential shorts also if the resistance is broken. So currently PN Energy, the let's see, the market cap is 135 mil. The free float, the share float is just 1 million, so it's a low float stock, so it can pump up. So mostly it's better if we look for the long side. So coming to the next stock is WLDS, so Wearable Devices Limited. So same, looking for longs. If I see WLDS, the market cap is 4.88 mil and the free float is 2.5 mil. So it's similar, anywhere between 2 to 5 million float is, I consider it as mid float. So it's a good stock. You can, if it comes back to the resistance and it consolidates, and then we are able to see a break above $3 a share, then we can look for going long. So WLDS, as I remember, there's no fresh catalyst or news, so I have to watch for it. Or if the resistance is broken, we can look for shorts. So WLDS, Wearable Devices Limited, that's the game plan. So coming to the third stock, that is 7077 Cayman Holdings Limited, ticker JEM. So JEM, we can see yesterday we had some news. So it was big swinging. We had this in our watch list. So the whole market hours it was consolidating, and after market hours we saw a run up. So we can see if it's consolidating again. But ideally, if I want to go long, I'll have to see a break all above $8 a share. So that is in my watch list. So coming to the fourth stock, which is ADVB, Advanced Biomed Incorporation. So same, GEM, ADVB, two of the stocks we had yesterday in our watch list, and both of them in the market hours it was consolidation. After market hours and in the pre-market hours today, ADVB gave the move. So if you are a long side trader, then ideally you want to be holding stocks. And given you have a lot of broker options, if you are outside India, you are a foreign citizen, you are from US, Spain, you have access to brokers that you can hold. And if you are from India, then the good news is you can now buy US equities through multiple brokers like Dhan Grow, and your favorite brokers that you have account with have also applied for IFSC in gift. So soon you will be able to invest through your broker also. So these are the stocks that you can hold. There is no such thing as you have to borrow shares or anything for short. You can go long. And the best part is this stocks are running 100, 200, 500% in just few hours, and you can capitalize on this whole move. There is no such concept as upper circuit like we have or lower circuit like we have in Indian market. So that is the best thing. So coming to the fifth ticker, so Safety Insurance Group. So Safety Insurance Group, SAFT ticker. So it's a fresh catalyst. So they are going. It's a M&A acquisition catalyst. So we can see the stock is already running up in the extended hours. It's already up 40%. It's running up good. So there's a free float of 14 mil, so it's a good free float, and it's a good stock overall because the market cap is also very good. So it's just over bill. So if you are an investor who wants to invest in good companies, if it can be a turnaround, so you can look into the share. So it's not like a normal small cap. So it's over $1 billion in market cap. So it's a good stock that you can watch over for long-term investments. So going to the another stock that we have, BNRG. So BNRG, ticker BNRG, we had a news 3 days ago. So if we have to see then 3 days of price action, uh, initially when the news hit, it had a normal spike and then a consolidation and breakdown. So after that, we can see today in the pre-market hours we can see a run up. So after this run up, if there's a consolidation and we are able to break ideally $2 a share mark, because the market cap is just 2 million and the float is just 2.49 million. So it's a mid float, I'll say. I would have preferred if it would have been a low float, then it would have much higher chances of going up. So this is a stock also, if it consolidates then and breaks above $40 a share, then you can look to go long. And the another stock we have LVWR, ticker LVWR, Livewire Group. So Livewire Group we have in our radar right now. So Livewire 2, so yesterday it has, I guess, revenue. I think yesterday it has had earnings or something. Yeah, so it has a catalyst. So Livewire Q2 revenue rises 55% as unit sale grows. So there's an increase in revenue. So the thing is that with this small cap, you can capitalize on big moves. So big moves. So currently this stock in today's it started running up yesterday in the aftermarket hours after this consolidation. You might not be able to capture it, but it went up almost 100%, above 100%. And also today, aftermarket hours, also it's up. So it went up yesterday. If I see it was a run up of 50%, and today there was another run up from market opening all the way to 50%. So that's a very good run up to watch for. And it's a good stock. You can look for the share float is high, so that is something that you need to be concerned about. The market cap is 150 mil. So if I see a BNRG, so BNRG, sorry, LBWR and SAFT, these are the two stocks which have a very good market cap, so you can look to hold. So not ideally very small cap stock below 100 million market cap. So these are things, if you're a long-term investor, that is the thing to have. And this is last but not least, SkyQ, SKYQ, SkyQuery Incorporation. So SkyQuery, SKYQ, this sticker has been in my watch list from the last 2 weeks, and it has been giving amazing spike ups. Capturing, you can see captured a short also. This stock is moving. This stock is moving. There's a news catalyst from last 2 weeks. You can watch. The market cap is 27 mil. The float is also 3.8 mil. So that's the perfect stuff. If you want to day trade, you want momentum and you don't want that level of volatility, and you want to look for anything, then this is the ticker that you can potentially watch for a week or next 2 weeks. So I have this ticker from in my watch list from last 2 weeks. So these are all the stocks that I have personally in my watch list, and you can also have it in your watch list. So that's it for today. Today's Friday's trading. Hope everyone does well and crush it in trading. So if you have any inquiries or anything, then DM me on LinkedIn, Instagram, anywhere. How to get started with US investing or trading. I'll cover up everything in detail. So that's it for today. See you guys next week and happy trading today.